Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to update your firmware drivers on Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to search bar and type device manager. As you can see here, device manager, open it, expand the window. Now here's a list of all the drivers, so you have to search for firmware. As you can see here, firmware is written. Just click on it, double click on it. Now it will show you two options, device firmware and system firmware. So we will check one by one. Go to device firmware, right click on it. Now you can see the option update driver. Just remember you have to right click on it. Now select update driver. Now it will give you two options, search automatically for driver or browse my computer for drivers. You can just browse if you have already downloaded the updated in your local PC. You can just browse it, and if you want to search it, just click on search automatically for drivers. So I will search it. Now as you can see here, my drivers are already installed and it's up to date on my Windows 11 PC laptop. So what you have to do, you have to check for system firmware as well as just right click on it and go to update driver. Now you have to search automatically for driver. As you can see here, my system firmware is also updated, and if it's not updated in your PC laptop, it will show you the list, so you can just easily download from there. Now I want to check if my all the drivers are up to date or not. I will go to home. Now you can see here Windows update, click on it in your right. Now just click on check for updates. Now it will start checking for updates. It will take a few minutes. Now I guess my system is up to date, and that's it guys. Now you know how to search for firmware updates and drivers. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Take care.